How to switch between the draft, private, and then the public status of a memorial. So when a memorial is first created, it starts in a draft mode. So draft simply means the memorial would not be visible for anyone else. Only you and then invited managers can see it while you are still adding information. So this is the memorial status. Then there are three different formats. That's the draft, private, and then the publish. So at any point, you can change the memorial to private. So a private memorial is only visible to people you invite. And then this option is helpful when a family wants to review whatever details they've placed there together before setting it to be published. So when you are ready to share the memorial more widely, that's after the family is sure every details they've placed there are correct, they can now switch to publish or public. So once you set it to publish, it can be viewed by anyone who has the link or finds it at the main page of our website. So visitors to a public memorial are treated as guests. So they can only view the memorial, and where allowed, they can also submit tributes, but they cannot manage or edit the content. So when I say once a memorial has been set to publish and then it can only be viewed, that's guests can only be view the memorial. This is what I mean. So these are memorials that have been created. So as a guest, all they can do is to view the various sections under the various sections of this memorial. Yes. So to change the visibility of your memorial, all you need to do is to open your memorial dashboard. So once this is a sample of a memorial dashboard I might have opened. So you open your memorial dashboard and then you locate the memorial status, which is this side, memorial status. And then you select either draft, private, or publish. And then you save your choice. So for instance, since this is just a sample, I've set this to draft. So after I set it to draft, you click on save memorial. Also, you need to note that switching a memorial status to publish is only possible when the publishing requirements are met. So for free memorials like these ones, you must include at least one photo in the media gallery section, one family member as the family page, and at least one tribute in the condolence book. Yes. So you can change, after this is done, you can change the visibility of your memorial at any time. If you ever want to limit access again, you can switch it back to private or draft. Yes, so that is how the privacy and visibility settings work on Ghana Memorial, which gives the family full control over who can see and interact with their memorial. So this is a sample of a memorial that has been set to private. It has this red button, it has this red button, which means it is private. If it has an orange button, it has been set to draft. So these two memorials cannot be seen on our main page. But then once you set a memorial to be public or published, it has this green button. Yes, so as you can see, when you visit our main website, you are going to see the memorial of Madam Ajua Donko, whose family have set their memorial to the public. Also, you are going to see the memorial of Elder Godfred Yao Afari. Yes, so let me show you how it looks like on our website. Yes, so this is Elder Godfred Yao Afari's memorial, and then this is Madam Ajua Donko's memorial. Both families have set their deceased person's memorial to public. Yes, so that's the difference between the private, the draft, and then the published version of a memorial. Thank you for watching.